Remember, 太极拳腰当功. 太极拳, the power is all in the 腰down. It means the waist and the crotch. Okay, watch. One, from here, and now add. You are all doing a little bit of this. That's from your other training. The center, touch lightly. Feel that? The center, you're doing this. Do that by yourself, lots, until your body is totally controlled here. Otherwise, you're sluggish. Squeeze, that's it. We all move like this. No, the middle, no move. Power is outside. Not integral. There's no tension here. Here. Now this is small, it goes like this. Can you see? If you're here, can you see your... Swipe it. You are hitting. This one is one.
This.
Yeah, but you can see, this is a little bird.
Right.
You want to go on the floor.
This.
Like that, but long. Like that. Then you're kicking upward. It's kicking downward. No. Yeah. Don't leave the center. Okay? It's here. No. Watch. You are here. It's here. You're too long. You don't have enough of this. Do a lot of that. No. Here. But you still need more here. More here. No. You opened. See? Watch here. Okay? Here. It's this move. If you are like this, you are more like this.
Here.
Yeah, that's the move. No, that's the move. Stay there. That's the move. And this stays there.
Right.
When this hand behind, swipe and it kicks, don't change that. Yeah. And not only that, shrink it. No, that's it. Yeah. You are too big. Watch me. Okay? You went like this. It's this is here.